More news that's breaking this minute. 15 private hospitals of Thane are on civic body's radar for overcharging COVID patients. The Thane Municipal Corporation has received 1,833 hospital bills, of which 845 bills are under the scanner. As per the initial reports, these hospitals are charged the patients to the tune of over 57 lakh rupees. Now remember, the civic body has already cancelled the license of Horizon Hospital in Thane after there were allegations of overcharging. Let me bring in my colleague Neha Kulkarni, who is joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Neha, we're looking at 15 private hospitals in Thane, which is on the radar. And earlier as well, we have seen one such example being set by the corporation by cancelling the license. How is the corporation going about it? What is the kind of audit that they've done on these 15 hospitals?
Absolutely, and it actually comes on the heels of the fact that a private hospital in Thane has been stripped off of its license and the COVID-19 hospital tag, even if for a month, but for overcharging patients. And we at Mirror Now have been constantly showing the apathy faced by people, be it in Thane, which is one of the largest districts as far as Maharashtra is concerned, and how patients have been struggling to get beds, not getting the beds in time, and also at the same time, hefty overcharging by the hospitals. Apurva, it is very important to mention here that this overcharging that is being done is way and beyond the charges or guidelines which has been put by government. So in terms of sanitization charges, PPE kits, so any other charges that they are levying, a huge amount is being taken from patients, and it's been found that in 386 such bills, so much overcharging has been seen to the tune of more than 50 lakhs, which is a huge amount. And we understand that the municipal corporation has already begun its recovery so that the patients can be redeemed of their amount. To know more about this, we are joined here with the Additional Municipal Commissioner of Thane himself, Ganesh Deshmukh. So thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. So more than 50 lakhs amount of overcharging, it's huge, and just from 15 private hospitals in Thane. In what way are these hospitals overcharging?
Hospitals are overcharging on the different parameters like special sanitation charges. They are charging over on the basis of some surgical instruments which are named as like PPE kit, gloves, so special sanitation, special disposal of this waste garbage which required for special treatment. In such a way they are charging overpay.
Absolutely. So, and how is it that now the patients are going to get its recovery? We understand that 2 hospitals have started the process, but is there a deadline by which the patients can expect if we have been overcharged, we should get our money back?
Yeah. We set one committee headed by Senior Deputy Collector as well as Municipal Chief Auditor. Along with these chiefs, there is a set of their subordinates also. They are visiting to the hospitals, and after investigation, if they found anything wrong, then they issue the notice. After they are being heard, we summarize their overcharged amount, and the order is issued by a Municipal Chief Auditor. After receipt of the order, if they do not pay, then definitely that amount will be added in their property tax bill by the corporation. Okay. And then in such a way also we will recover the extra amount.
But is there a deadline by which the patients can get the money?
Yeah. So initially when we are issuing the notice, then in the notice itself we are writing within the 7 to 10 days hospital has to refund the amount. But if they fails, then we will get it recovered through our proper tax bills.
Absolutely. And so any other hospital now on the radar wherein stricter action could be taken, like the one which we saw with Horizon Prime, their license was taken? Any more hospitals now on the radar of TMC?
Initially, I can very specifically want to mention Horizon is the one hospital which is penalized, but we don't want to penalize any other hospitals because hospitals are the requirement. But when they are trying to extract peoples, then we have to do it very, we can say very sadly. So it is not any type of target, but definitely if anyone comes in such a way, then he will be penalized.
Absolutely. So recovery is in the process, Apurva, as told to us by the Additional Municipal Commissioner here. And obviously if the hospitals do not directly give it to the patients, then through the way of property taxes, this money will be taken from them.
Okay. All right, Neha, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.